mental wealth and relationship, family relationship. If you are improving building your mental wealth in right direction based on your eligibility level which you had and which you have right now, both you had and right now you have. So both the eligibility levels, if you are able to maintain and you are able to build your mental wealth according to your eligibility level and acquired efficiency build-up, then your relationship will improve. Relationships in family will improve. How? The people will believe you. Whatever you are saying, they have tested it. They will believe you that whatever guidance you will give, they are ready to accept it as it is and try to experiment. Maybe there may be a gap between the success of the experiment and whatever you have suggested. But then that gap will be minimal. If your mental wealth is poor or weak or diseased, then definitely you will not be able to make your place felt in the family. No one will give you value. कहते हैं ना कि अरे पापा को तो कोई पूछता ही नहीं है, मेरे को तो कोई पूछता ही नहीं है फैमिली में. तो वो कारण उसका मात्र यही है. मैंने सुना है कि बड़े बड़े बच्चे जब बड़े हो जाते हैं तो पिताजी को कहते हैं कि पापा आपने हमें पैसे के अलावा दिया ही क्या है. हमें जब भी गाइडेंस की जरूरत पड़ी तो आपने कहा ये ले 5,000 रुपए और बाजार में से जाके गाइडेंस ले ले. अरे मैं गाइडेंस लू कहां से, ये भी तो बताओ ना साथ में. पर आपने ये बताया ही नहीं मेरे को कभी. तो ऐसे सवाल, ऐसे जवाब बच्चों से अगर आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करना चाहते पेरेंट्स, तो आपको अपनी मेंटल वेल्थ को बिल्डअप according to your eligibility level and efficiency acquirement and following the right track, then only you will be able to achieve a level that the kids, your family members, start accepting your guidance in right direction. But your way of explanation itself will change. If you are able to maintain, if you have confusion, that means your mental wealth is down, deteriorated, or it has fallen below a threshold itself. So your eligibility level is falling. It is not even able to match what you got eligibility level at the time of birth. So imagine that if you want to really improve your relations in your family and build up your guiding status, very important for father especially, and for mother is supposed to be the guru of the child, so she has to get that. It is much more important for her to build her mental wealth, and then for father, because guiding to mother, guiding to wife is the responsibility of the husband. And husband, if wife, why today the scene is that no one ready to, the husband and wife, that relationship itself has gone down the drain. Almost gone down the drain. Wife never accepts that my husband will be able to give me good guidance, because she is going out, she is in the market and sitting and she is acquiring knowledge, and she always finds that my husband is obsoleted. So she is not at fault, but the problem is she is always looking for you to guide. Because when she got married, she was totally dependent on your guidance. She knew only you, not your family members. So she came here considering that you will guide her at all aspects of life. Every step you will guide me. But I do not know what to guide to the female. I do not know what is the guidance female needs. Or female needs, most of the time she is not able to say the words because she is a new entrant. So you have to have your mental wealth developed so much that you are able to understand what she wants to say. Or sometimes words and intention do not match. So you should be able to understand the words and the intention behind it, and then take the decisions of guiding the direction. Very, very important. Mental wealth definitely helps in building or maintaining relationship in family.